All right, gang, it's my last video, I swear, and I'm done for the day because I don't really like wearing these button-ups. Let me do this, I'm not happy with it. So I've been getting a lot of questions about Vendera Vocal Academy. We just launched the new version at venderavocalacademy.com. We rebuilt everything. We have all new instructional videos, and I love what we put together. So one particular person has sent me probably a dozen questions recently. It's like, well, what's in the school? Okay, well, there's new courses. What else? We have 5 coaches to help you. We'll critique your songs. We have live group hangouts every week. We have workshops. We have clinics. We're covering things like how do you build harmonies? How do you do these exercises? How do you perform on stage? So it is a roundabout online school, not just for singing, but for how you interact as a musician. And the last question I got this morning was, well, what's your favorite class? And my favorite class was Stage Survival 101. I absolutely love creating that class because it dives into the things that you need, the practical things that you need on the road. And that is things like stage presence, how to deal with stage fright, what to pack in your singer's gig bag, which that's another video I'll film before long.